Hey there, awesome people. Let's talk about something crazy but real. Did you know that for thousands of years, people believed the Earth was flat? Yep, flat like a pancake. They looked out at the horizon, saw where the sky seemed to meet the ground, and thought, that's it, that's the end of the Earth. Why? Because they didn't have science. No satellites, no tech, just raw assumptions. And you know what else they believed? That the sun revolved around the Earth. Sounds ridiculous now, right? But back then, it made perfect sense. They saw the sun rise in the east and set in the west, so naturally they thought the sun was doing all the moving. But guess what? Science flipped that belief upside down. Now we know the Earth orbits the sun and spins on its own axis. Boom! Proven. Case closed. Now, here's the big question. What if we're still holding on to a modern-day lie, a belief just as wrong as the flat Earth theory? That lie is this: once I'm successful, then I'll be happy. We say things like, when I make 10 grand a month, I'll finally feel good. Or, when I buy that car, get that job, hit that goal, then happiness will show up. That's the trap. We put happiness after success. But here's the truth bomb. Happiness doesn't follow success. Success follows happiness. Rocket, let me break it down. When you're genuinely happy, your brain works better. You focus harder. You think clearer. You work faster. You make smarter decisions. You're literally a high-performance machine when you're in a happy state. And guess what? Science backs it up. Oxford University studied 1,800 employees. Half of them were put in a happy mood before working. The other half, just neutral, same old vibe. Result? The happy group crushed it. Performance shot up by 13%. That's not small. That's huge. So imagine what you could do if you stayed in that happy, high-energy zone. Let's talk trading. Same rule applies. If you're happy and relaxed, you stay logical. You don't panic. You don't chase losses. You stick to your rules. You stay patient. You avoid burnout. But if you're stressed, anxious, desperate, you make bad decisions. Period.
So the million-dollar question is, how do we get happier every day? Here are 7 powerful strategies you can start using today. Practice gratitude. Every night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Could be small wins, good people, even a decent cup of coffee. Gratitude shifts your mindset fast. Own everything. Take full responsibility for everything, good or bad. Even when it's not your fault, owning it gives you power. Control equals confidence equals happiness. Create a backup income. Don't trade with your rent money. Even a small side hustle gives you mental peace, and peace equals power when you're trading. Focus on the process. Forget short-term wins or losses. You need at least 250 to 300 trades to judge a strategy. Stop obsessing over 10 trades. Zoom out and trust the process. Build rituals. Take breaks between trades. Do deep breathing. Write down how you feel. These small rituals create big clarity and calm. Set daily limits. Decide how much you'll risk before the day starts. Stick to it. No just one more. Discipline now equals freedom later. And do happy stuff. Play your favorite music. Exercise. Go for a walk. Hang with people you love. Research shows strong relationships make us the happiest. Not money, not things. So what's your next move? Pick one of these 7 strategies. Start today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Right now. Even one small shift can change everything. Trust me, it's worth it. We drop new videos every Monday and Friday at 10 p.m. So if you're serious about leveling up, hit that bell, subscribe, and stay with us. This is more than trading. This is mindset. This is life. Stay happy, stay strong. See you in the next one. Peace out.